This is Robert Kraft, and I'm coming to you live on SNN.Live, and we are at the Precious Metal Summit 2019 in Beaver Creek, Colorado. With me right now is John Burzynski from Osisko Mining. It's a publicly traded company. I got two symbols for you, OSK on the TSX and OBNNF in the US. John, welcome to SNN.Live.
Good morning. Thank you.
It's great to have you. So, for our audience, let's start off with an overview of the company, and then we'll go from there.
Yeah, Osisko is a Canadian-based company. We're in Toronto. Our feature project is the Windfall in northern Quebec.
So let's get a history of the company. When did it start, and how did you evolve to where you're currently at today?
Yeah, it's a longer story. I'll try and make it short. We started the original Osisko back in 2003. We discovered, financed, built, and produced the Canadian Malartic mine, which we lost after a hostile attempt by Goldcorp back in 2014. We ultimately sold that company for about $4.3 billion, so we actually returned $3 billion to our shareholders. Canadian Malartic is currently the world's 10th largest gold mine. It produces about 700,000 ounces a year. It was a big discovery for us. We started the next day as Osisko Gold Royalties, and from that in 2015 we created Osisko Mining.
And what about your project and company makes you guys unique when compared to some of your peers out there?
We have a really great project. We filtered about 4,000 different projects back in 2015 to decide which ones we wanted to focus on. We only came up with about 8 in North America that we thought we could turn into mines within 5 years. Windfall was at the top of that list. We started in earnest with a 50,000 meter drill program. We've increased that now to a 1,000,000 meter drill program. We'll be finished this Christmas, and we're expecting to table a resource of about 4 million ounces with an average grade of about 8 grams in the early new year.
So you talked about a little bit about your experience. You've been at Osisko for a while now. So, what was your experience prior to joining Osisko?
I'm a geologist by trade. I worked 25 years in the business in North America, Africa, and a few other jurisdictions. Sean Roos and Bob Wares and I started Osisko back in 2003, thinking that technical people could run a better mining company, and I guess we were right. Canadian Malartic was a very big success. We're on to our second one here with Windfall, which we expect and hope to get into production by late 2022.
So from what you can tell me, what are some of the company's value catalysts now for the rest of 2019 going into 2020?
Yeah, as I mentioned before, we're going to complete the 1,000,000 meter drill program by Christmas. That resource will be out in either late January or early February. We have a second 5,000 ton bulk sample that'll be coming out in late October. We have 23 drills turning on site, so we have a pretty regular news flow about every 2 weeks, infill holes and new exploration holes. We're also drilling a 3.5 kilometer deep hole below to see if we can find the roots of the system, and then we'll have the feasibility about this time next year.
And John, where can audience go and find more information about Osisko Mining?
The audience can go to our website, osiskomining.com. We also have a Facebook page, and we're on Twitter and Instagram.
My name is Robert Kraft, and I'm coming to you live on SNN.Live, and we're at the Precious Metal Summit 2019 in Beaver Creek, Colorado. With me again has been John Burzynski from Osisko Mining, publicly traded company. Two symbols for you, OSK on the TSX and OBNNF in the US. John, it was a pleasure. Thank you for joining me today.
Thank you very much.